Hi, I'm Brian McCraner. I'm the president of Holland Vision Systems. What sets us apart from our competitors is that we spend a lot of effort talking with our customers and understanding their unique needs. We find out what they need to see, their equipment and attachments they have, and what their operating environment is like so we can supply them with a quality, long-lasting solution. We don't just rebrand products from other countries. We're able to design and manufacture products here in Michigan ourselves. While our competitors offer standard products with limited customization, we develop a product from scratch doing circuit board design, microprocessor programming, machining enclosures, and fabricating metal parts. And we tailor our systems specifically to meet our customers' needs, providing solutions that are both innovative and reliable. I hope HVS continues to be successful with providing products that reduce product damage, improve safety, and increase efficiency. I think we can have an impact with that with our products.